Hello everybody, my name is Angela and I am an addictive learning expert. Today I will guide you through the main features of our platform. To start your work with an addictive learning, apparently you should sign up. After you enter our platform, this is the first screen of our admin panel. You will see it. The screen is called Hub Settings. What is actually their Hub? Hub is your online school in the mobile app. It is a place where all your courses and challenges will be published, where your learners can compete with each other, where your learners will actually study because your learners will study only in the mobile app, in the Addictive Learning mobile app. It is a place where your clients will be able to ask different questions, quickly get feedback, and much, much more. After registering on our platform, AdHub is automatically created in your mobile app. One thing you have to do is to generate its name, description, upload the main picture, and choose what kind of hub you will have, free or paid. Here you can put a free trial period from 1 to several days when your learners can enter Hub for free if your ad Hub is paid. And here you can choose any of four currencies in which your clients will pay you for learning, for watching your content. But today we will create a free ad Hub. So Hub name, Hub description, and Hub main picture, Hub avatar is the main information that your learners will see when they firstly enter your online school, when they enter your online school for the first time. How it will look like, you can check in this preview. So this is the picture, this is the first screen your learners will see when they go via the link directly to your ad hub, to your online school in the app. So it's very important to write a clear hub description, upload a main picture, and of course, create your hub name, your online school name. After you filled in all the fields, press please the button Save. Now you can see that on the right part of the screen, the QR code has appeared. This QR code you should use for checking how your hub will be displayed in the app. For that, please take your smartphone, go to your smartphone camera and point it to the QR code, and you will go directly to the App Store or Google Play. Once you download the Addictive Learning app, you will be in your online school. The login and password for the app will be the same as for this platform. So when you go via this QR code to the mobile application, firstly, of course, you will go to the store, and then after downloading the app, you will go directly to your online school. So how you generated the name and description here, you will see on your smartphone. You don't have to sign up. You already is signed up because you sign up to this platform, to this admin panel. You should put the sign in button and use the same login and the same password to enter the application as you used for this platform, for your admin panel. So this admin panel you used to control all your information, to control the statistic, to create your courses and challenges, to change your hub name or description, whatever, and mobile app you use for controlling how your learners performing in the studying, because they will learn only in the mobile app. There is no desktop version of the Addictive Learning. So actually this is it. After you put the save button, your hub automatically appeared in the Addictive Learning app with this information that you have already filled. Moreover, this is important to know that you can create several hubs. To do this, on the hub settings page, click on the name of the current hub here at the very top of the page and click on the Add Hub button. So you can see I have already several hubs and I can put the Add Hub and create one more hub. You can always delete the hub you have already created. Here you can also see how many users you have in different of your hubs. So you can create different online schools, and for that you will not pay any extra fees. Last but not least, here is the inviting part of new learners. At the top of the page, you can see the link To copy this link, you have to just press this button. This link sends your users to your hub in the app. If your clients did not download the Addictive Learning app yet, they would be redirected to the App Store or Google Play, just as the same as you will be as soon as you go with this QR code. Therefore, when clicking on your invite link from the phone, on this link, this is the invite link, the client will be redirected directly to the App Store for devices based on iOS or Google Play for Android. When clicking on your link from the computer, the client will be redirected to a page with a QR code. So they will be redirected to the landing page. On this landing page will be this QR code, and after pointing the smartphone camera at this QR code, they will go directly to the App Store and Google Play, download the Addictive Learning app, and the user, which is important, after downloading will see again this information. So they will not see hubs of any other courses creators, of any other coaches. They will go directly to your online school. So this app is your app. Addictive Learning app becomes your app, which you can use fully for creating your new educational content. So now you have an online school and your app is ready already. We created a name, description. We go to the with our smartphone to the app and check how it looks like. We already know where is the invite link and how to invite new learners. So let's move on to create your first educational product. Let's start with the challenge. To create a product, any product on the Addictive Learning platform, you go to the products menu, and here you can see that you can create the four types of content. We start from the challenge. Challenge is a dynamic and interactive type of group training. The main goal is to engage the learner. Every day, on the Addictive Learning platform, you create one or several tasks with educational content that are only available for 24 hours. During this time, learners should complete the task and post the results in stories. In the Addictive Learning app, they will have the stories like in Instagram, where they have to post the photos or videos of how they completed their tasks. On the Addictive Learning platform, as you see, there are two types of challenges: competitive challenge and cheering challenge. In competitive challenges, learners rate other challenge participants. Based on these points, the leaderboards are formed daily, showing the best learner and the best team. So in this challenge, your learners will compete with each other. There would be leaderboards, they have to post their stories, they have to rate the stories of other course participants. So this would be a competition. Cheering challenge is a challenge without competition. So here there are no leaderboards. Instead, there are no grades. Instead of grades, learners can send stickers to each other to encourage to complete all the tasks. But still, in cheering challenge, also they will have to post the results in stories. Which challenge is more suitable for you? Competitive challenge or cheering challenge is up to your niche and up to your topic. So let's start to create your first challenge. After you have chosen the type of your challenge, click on it and press the create button. I will create the competitive challenge. As soon as you put on this button, you tap to the first field, the fill in info field. This is the first step of creating your challenge on the Addictive Learning platform. Remember, challenge is a time-limited training. Therefore, do not forget to indicate the start date and the end date of your challenge. You can also insert a link to the group chat of participants in any messengers. For now, we do not have a messenger which would be already in apps, but still communicating with each other is essentially important for all challenge participants. So please create a chat somewhere in WhatsApp or Messenger or elsewhere so your learners would be able to communicate with each other. Let's now create a challenge together. So I want to create a challenge, 10 days, 10 steps to creating a successful online course. So my challenge would be about the main steps of creating a successful online course. I create a challenge name, now challenge description. In this challenge, you will learn how to create a successful online course. Of course, this description is not the best one. Here, it's important. You should write really engaging text, which encourage your challenge participants, your potential clients, to take part in this challenge. Especially if you create a paid challenge, you can create both free or paid. It depends from your marketing strategy. This part should be really engaging, so your learners will definitely decide that they want to take part in your challenge. And do not forget to upload the challenge cover. I will upload this one. And once again, indicate the date start and date end. Let's create a challenge till 30 from tomorrow, 21. And of course, you can choose, as usual, with this challenge would be free or paid. I will choose it would be free. On the right side of the screen, you can see how your challenge will be displayed on the learner's mobile devices. Please note that the field challenge name and challenge description will be displayed here in the app that I already said, which is very important. And also they will be displayed here on your landing page, which we created instead of you. So this text should be really written good. This text should be really engaging. So now we finished. We filled in all the fields, we check everything, we took a look how our challenge looks in the app, and now we can go to the step number 2, which is called add content. This is a schedule, this is a calendar of your online challenge. Please pay attention on this part. This is a preview of those stories I told you. So that's your challenge will look like in the app when the person will pay for it if you create a paid challenge, or will just enter it if your challenge will be free. So here where is no tasks would be your tasks. Remember the task you created every day, and they're available for only for 24 hours. And this is the stories, how the stories will look like when other participants will post their results. The results, how they create. If you have a sport challenge, they will post how they do squats, let's say. If you have a nutrition challenge, they will post their healthy daily meals. And if you have a challenge for children, that means that your clients will post pictures of their children doing some tasks which you have created. So let's move on to the adding the assignments. You press the button add tasks, and here you created once again the task name, the short description, the full description, date start, video, and link to a document. So my challenge is about creating a course. So my first task in challenge would be choose a topic of your course. Here I will write a description, how exactly, and why my challenge participants should choose those topic, and why it is important actually choosing a topic of the course. Is an essential part. Now just write random text, not to waste too much time, and here is a full description. Please remember, here you have only 255 signs you can just write. In this full description, you have to describe more what actually your learners have to do. You have to do, and how, if it's important. 1, 2, 3. Then we point out the start date of those tasks. I remember you that a challenge is a dynamic and fast type of group training. The main goal is to engage learners, so your assignments and lessons content will only be available for 24 hours. During this time, learners should watch the lesson, should complete their homework, and publish the results of their homework in stories. That's why here your tasks cannot be complicated. Please remember that, because it would be not possible for your clients to do a complicated task. It's not a course, it's a challenge. Challenge is always used as a lead magnet, as a tripwire, just to interact with your customers. So please, on my examples, we can see that if my topic of my challenge is how to create a successful course, I'm not now asking my clients to write the full program because it's not possible to do it in 24 hours. I ask my clients to choose a topic or choose an issue, so this task is really easy to do and fast. Let's move on. Video. For now, on the Addictive Learning platform, you can download content directly to the platform. It will be available very soon, so please download your video lesson to the YouTube and just insert a link here. Why the video lessons are important? Because here in the full description, you will not be able to explain your lesson actually. Challenge, of course, is dynamic and fast, but still you teach something. Yes, you educate something, you explain something. For example, in this video, I will explain how it's better to choose a topic, how people should choose an issue, how they should analyze the market, and why it's so important to choose a right topic of your course, so this course will buy the other clients. The same you, please download and create the video training, the video lesson. If you have a sport challenge, download a video of how you do those quotes, or if you are a nutrition specialist, download a video how we should cook and which meals we actually should take to be healthy. And one more field is a link to document. If you have some guides, you have some checklists you want to share with your learners, feel free to download it to Google Drive or any other online places and just insert the link. But do not forget to open those documents. And last but not least, very important part of the challenge creating is the example of created task. Learners report examples. We know that very often during the challenges, learners do not know how to complete the tasks. They do not know how to do it. They always try to their coaches, ask questions again and again. So we created this tool that is the learners report example. It is the successful example from you of already done home task. So if my task is choose a topic of your course, I do this task also by myself. I write a topic of my course somewhere, making a screenshot or making a photo, and upload the done tasks by me here. So the other learners can take a look and choose. It's in Russian, I'm sorry, but still it's an example, and can see how this task should be done. You show the learners how to complete the tasks and also upload your results in photo or video format. This tool is excellent for improving homework completion, and retention rate. Here on the right side, you can now take a look how your tasks will be displayed in the mobile learning app. So here is the lesson name, here is your video, here is the description, here's an example. Your learners will just press those buttons and see an example from you. And here is the homework part. And by putting this button, your learners will upload homework, and this homework will appear in the stories, which you actually already see. So we save, and your task is already appeared here on the 21st of January, as we have created it. Important information. You can add an unlimited number of such tasks per day. It is best to add one task for each day of the challenge. But if you have a lot of tasks, if your challenge is so dynamic, you can add here 2, 3, 5 tasks. You can change their position. You can change their content by pressing here these 3 dots. And what is actually also important, it is not necessary on the Addictive Learning platform to add all tasks at the time of creating the challenge. You can first create tasks for the first day or just one task for the first day, already create your challenge, already start to promote it, already your learners will come to your hub, and then you can add all other tasks and assignments, which is actually a very good tool for starting to promoting your course. And we move on to the last stage, is a landing page. You can skip this step and do not create the landing page because you can invite learners directly to your hub with the help of a hub link, which I already told you. But if you need a landing page, then fill in just one field. It's a field about you. So you say, hey, your name, you drag file here to upload. It should be your photo. You upload your photo, and that's it. Our system already taken the information about your challenge, and your landing page is already created. Here, this is how it looks like in the app. If your learners will go via the link to your challenge from the desktop, from a computer, they will not have the button participate, they will have the QR code, because from a computer they somehow have to go to the app, and via the QR code as via this button, they will go directly to your challenge. Because this is the landing to your challenge, not to your hub. So here we are. Our challenge has been created, but our challenge is not published yet. To make the challenge appear in the mobile application, please click the Publish button. As soon as you publish a challenge, the link to this challenge automatically, immediately is displayed. With this link, you can invite learners. You can use this link, you can use this link to send it via emails. You can invite your learners directly from the admin panel, just here at their emails as much as you want, and send an invite. This invite would be automatically created by us, automatically designed. This would be a beautiful email which will be sent to all emails you write here. If you need a landing page for promotion, please click the Publish Landing Page button. After that, the link to your landing page will appear. Congratulations, your challenge has been created. It is a very fast process, and I think it is a very easy process. But how to edit your challenge content? What if you want to add more tasks, or what if you make some mistakes and you want to edit a challenge? For that, click on three dots next to the Publish button and click Edit. Here also you can change and correct any field within your course. Also, you can unpublish your course if you accidentally publish it in the app. All your course content will be saved. The only thing would be that this link will disappear and your challenge would not appear in the app. Also, here you can delete your challenge, and you can take a look how many users and their data are participating currently in this challenge. Information about users is also here. So this is it. I think it's pretty easy. If you have more questions, we are always here to answer. Our team will help you every step of the way, from registration to setting up an advertising campaign if required. Just write to us and use our Telegram chat to ask all the questions you need to ask. Good luck.